In this section of the course, we're going to specifically talk about the anatomy of a prompt, what a perfect prompt should consist of, what are the things we need to avoid when it comes to prompting, what are some of the techniques that we can use to make the most out of these LLM models such as ChatGPT when it comes to prompting. Can we build a specific structure, a formula that we can use when we're working with different projects and tasks, so that we know, okay, this is my prompt template and this is how I'm going to use it, and based on that I work accordingly. So in this section, what I'm going to do is first I'll walk you through some of the very basics of things that you need to remember when we're working with prompting. And then I will guide you through a resource that I've created to give you ideas for inspiration and exploration of the different sort of tasks that you can ask GPT to do for you, how to best formulate your idea into a prompt, and then what are the different sorts of input and output formats that you can work with. And that's what this lecture is about, in taking a deeper dive into understanding what are the different ways we can make the most efficient use of prompting.